These POV roller coaster videos are going viral right now on social media, and this Instagram page has crossed 40,000 followers just by uploading this exact style of content. Their most viral videos are hitting 17.4 million views, 17 million views, and 13.6 million views. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel right now because I am going to show you the totally free method to create these videos yourself. First, open the master prompt. The link is in the description below. Copy the full detailed prompt and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Hit enter, and in just a couple of seconds, it will provide you 10 viral roller coaster concepts to choose from. If you do not like any of them, just ask for more, and it will generate fresh ideas instantly. I am going with number 2. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will provide you one image prompt, one video prompt, and also a sound design prompt for that concept. Copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow. Select the image option, turn on your desired settings, paste the prompt in, and hit enter. In seconds, a set of images will be right in front of you. Choose the one that looks the most thrilling and cinematic, click on it, click the 3 dots, and choose animate. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, and paste it directly in. Hit enter, and in seconds, your viral POV roller coaster video is completely finished and ready to go live on the internet. Now, watch another one I created using the exact same method. The master prompt is in the description waiting for you right now. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.